In this set, a group of 8 athletes from South India are preparing to participate in the shooting or weightlifting competition in the Olympic 2016. Each athlete belongs to exactly one state out of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, and there is at least one athlete from each state, which means these 8 athletes are from 3 states in such a way that there is at least one athlete from each state. It is also given that all female athletes belong to Andhra. We have 3 states, and these states are Karnataka, AP, and Tamil Nadu. All female athletes are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, not Tamil Nadu. The result after the first two round of is first round of screening are as follows. First result is at least 2 athletes have qualified for shooting competition but not for weightlifting competitions. So shooting competition, weightlifting, shooting plus weightlifting. Two at least qualified for shooting and not for weightlifting. It means 2 plus or at least 2 qualified for shooting but not for weightlifting. Coming to the second statement, at least 2 athletes have qualified for weightlifting but not for the shooting competition, which means there are at least 2 athletes who have qualified only for weightlifting, not for shooting. There is at least, in statement third, it is given that there is at least one athlete who has qualified for both the competition. In the last statement, it is given that among the 8 athletes, only athletes from Karnataka have qualified for weightlifting. We know that at least 3 athletes have qualified for weightlifting. At least 2 are those who have qualified only for weightlifting, and at least one is there who has qualified for weightlifting as well as shooting. It means there are at least 3 athletes who have qualified for weightlifting, which implies that there are at least 3 athletes from Karnataka. This is what we know on the basis of given information. Now come to the questions. In first question, here we have to check which of the following statements cannot be true. First option is the group includes more females than males. There are 8 athletes, and if there are to be more females than males, then at least 5 females must be there. And if we have a look at the composition, like there must be at least one person from one athlete from Tamil Nadu as well, and we know that all the female athletes are from AP, which means the number of athletes that AP can have in the given situation is 4, not more than this. And even if all these athletes are females, then the number of female athletes can be equal to male athletes but not more than this. Therefore first statement is not true and it will be our answer. Similarly, we can check the other statement, which is not required here because more than one statement cannot be true. Come to the second question. If each athlete has qualified to compete in at least one of the two competition, all of the following must be true except we have to find the statement which may or may not be true. First statement is all athletes from Andhra Pradesh have qualified for shooting. It has to be true because only athletes from Karnataka have qualified for weightlifting. Coming to the option B, all athletes from Tamil Nadu have qualified for shooting. Again, this will be true. Coming to the third statement, all athletes from Karnataka have qualified for weightlifting, which may or may not be true. Here it is only given that the athletes who have qualified for weightlifting are from Karnataka, which is not equivalent to all the athletes from Karnataka have qualified for weightlifting. Therefore, option C may or may not be true, and it will be our answer. But check option 4 as well. No athletes from Andhra Pradesh have qualified for weightlifting, which is again true, as we know that athletes only from Karnataka have qualified for weightlifting. So option C is the correct answer. In the next question, it is given that if 4 athletes are females, which means there are 4 athletes from AP, and we know that there are at least 3 athletes from Karnataka and 1 from Tamil Nadu. So in that problem, the composition of athletes is known: 3 from Karnataka, 4 from AP, and 1 from Tamil Nadu. All 4 from AP are female. Now, in this question, again we have to find which statement is the statement which may or may not be true. One of the athletes is from Tamil Nadu, which is definitely true. So this statement cannot be our answer. Statement second, option second, 4 athletes are from Andhra Pradesh, which is again definitely true, and it cannot be our answer. Next statement, 3 athletes are from Karnataka. Again, this is true. So last option has to be our answer, and read what it says. 4 athletes have qualified for the shooting. It is not required for 4 athletes to qualify for shooting, which may be 3 only, or it may be 5 as well. So statement 4 or option 4 is not definitely true. Come to the last question. Here it is given that the group includes more athletes from Tamil Nadu than those from Karnataka. From here, it is clear there are 4 athletes from Tamil Nadu, as there are 3 athletes from Karnataka, and at least 1 athlete must be from AP. So there is only 1 female in the group. Now it is asking the number of male athletes who have to who have qualified for shooting competition cannot be less than. We know that at least 3 athletes have qualified for shooting, and there is only 1 female out there. So at least 2 males must be there who have qualified for shooting, not less than 2. Therefore, option B is the correct answer.